All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage. It's around 11 o'clock. Heck, I think we hit a record yesterday. I think we got to 75 degrees, and we broke the old record of 72 degrees. And boy, it was nice yesterday, and it's just as nice today. It's looking at the garage here. I've got the back door open, but look here. It is 72 degrees in the garage here, and the humidity is 63. So it's looking pretty good. All right, fellas, y'all know I'm working on this MPC Pontiac GTO Super Stocker. Just thought I'd give a little update on it right off the bat here. I got the body semi-prepped. I've got all the flash taken off, but I need to get after it with some sandpaper. And got those wheels glued together. They turned out pretty cool. Still not sure what color I'm going to paint those, but got a little bit of the chassis put together. Here I got the front suspension and the rear suspension all cut off the trees. Need to clean it up and see what colors I'm going to start painting all this stuff. I was at the hobby shop the other day, and you know what? Let me tell y'all something here. See that white background? I've been having trouble with my phone focusing on what I'm actually doing. It tends to grab those stickers that were on my toolbox, somebody told me, in the background. So I thought I'd hang up a white sheet of paper and see how this video comes out. So you guys let me know if this video is blurry or any better than my other ones were. I was at the hobby shop. I went over there looking for the new release of the I can't remember now if it's the AMT or Revell kit, the 55 Nomad, and he sold them all out. So I told him to keep me one behind the desk. When he gets some more in, I'll take one of them. But I was getting ready to walk out, and I spotted this on his shelf at the very bottom, so I had to get this sucker. I just thought it was so cool. Check this out. This is a Mobius kit. 61 Pontiac Catalina. Man, isn't that just so cool looking? I'm just digging that. That is a badass looking kit right there. I just had to get that. And you know, while we were trying to pull this one out, the UPS guy shows up and he brings in 2 big boxes, and I asked Scott, the proprietor, what you got in those boxes? Yeah, I got some kits and things. I said, what you got? And he opened those boxes up, and I saw this one, so I had to get it. I've been looking for this one online. They said it was due out, and he just got them in. And I'm gonna tell you what, that is a cool looking sedan delivery right there. That's gonna be cool. I might have to two-tone this one. I don't like doing the two-tones because the taping the bodies up, I've had issues before with tape pulling paint off and things, or leaving the paint or the tape residue on the bodies. So I don't know, but that's just a badass looking kit right there. I really like that. All right, let me show you all something else here. I've been working on the 59 El Camino, and I painted it, and something happened on the roof of that car. I don't know what it was. It looked like trash. Don't know if it was from my spray booth or if it was from my gun, or if there was something wrong with the plastic or whatever. But anyway, I stripped it, put it in a purple pond, stripped it, sanded her down, got her all cleaned up. I shot it again, and I got the same problem. So my spray booth was clean. I cleaned that sucker good, and my airbrush is always clean. I cleaned it really good anyway, second time, and I sprayed that again, and you know, the whole body looks fine. It's just the top, I don't know what it is. It's got spots on it. So I left her as is, fellas. I wasn't going to strip it again because I don't know what's wrong with that plastic. But anyway, I got it painted, and I put it in my dehydrator and let everything dry. And then this morning I got out here and I shot the clear orange over that titanium silver. And boy, I tell you what, I got the tape pulled off, and I think it turned out pretty cool. You know, let me get a pointer here. I was thinking about doing that orange up here on top of these fins as well, but I was afraid. That is such a thin lip right there. I was just afraid that I wouldn't be able to get the tape on that correctly, and I'd get too much paint that would bleed off of there. So I decided not to do that. I only did the top and the spears on the side, and I didn't get any paint to bleed over. I mean, there's a little bit that's outside the sphere, but that's going to be bare metal foil anyway. So I think I'm really good on that. I'm good to go. I just think it turned out killer looking. I really like it. I just barely had enough of that clear orange left, and didn't know if I was going to have enough, but I shot about 4 or 5 coats on here, and come out pretty good. I'm digging it. I don't know if we can see those spots. I don't know. But they're there, believe me, they're there. And I kept spraying this, hoping that orange might cover them up. And it did a little bit, but not enough. So I'm going to, after I get done with this video, this is going to go in the dehydrator to dry that orange out. And then we got rain coming in, so I don't know, next good day I get, I'm going to wet sand this and get some clear shot on it and make this thing shine like a new penny. All right, fellas. Here's the rest of the parts up here, the hood, and this is for the El Camino here. There's the hood and the dash, and came out pretty good. I wanted to show y'all something on this MPC kit here. Let me move these tires out of the way. Look at that hood. That hood is, it's warped diagonally, and then on both sides, see that gap right there? Both sides it has that where it's warped up. And that hood is, you know, it's a small piece and it's thick. I don't know if I can do anything with that or not, but I don't know. I just haven't got that far yet. I'm still kind of concentrating on the El Camino here, and if y'all remember, you know, I've got the pan done, got the engine in there, but she's getting close. All right, fellas, I think I'm gonna get off here. I'm done.